Hi guys, good morning. Good morning guys. I got up a while ago. Let me put oil in here because it's dry. I'm in my filming room and I just came up from having breakfast. And obviously I always have oatmeal, guys. Oatmeal? No, cereal. This is the E oil. It's a vitamin E oil. It's good for scarring, you know, to get rid of the scar. It is helping me with my poison ivy. Okay, usually every time I have like wound, I hurt myself or something, the scar is always there. Like scar is always there, and that vitamin E oil helps to get rid of my scar. Not the old scar that I have since I was a kid. The scar that is gone is the one that it's new. The one is like from the poison ivy all over my body. If you haven't seen that, if my arm, on my legs, I have it in my stomach, it travel on my neck. And I was afraid of trouble on my face, but luckily I've been applying Dawn, you know, yung Dawn dishwasher, or this soap, you know, yung Dawn, at saka yung sponge for washing dishes. I put Dawn in it and then I scrub it in the tub and I scrub my body, and I think I did that for a few times and then I get rid of it. But anyway, good morning to you guys. Anyway, I just want to show you that we went to Big Lots yesterday. Tam and I went to Big Lots and I found this over there, sponges, 24 assorted cosmetic sponges. I can use this with my thing because I have only one beauty blender and that one is the real one and it's expensive for sure. I'm not buying that again. And luckily I found this one, and I know there is one in Forever 21. I want to try that too. And yeah, so let's me eat it. What is that noise I hear down here? I heard some noise. The three of you are here. Dimples? What I heard? What I heard, Dimplers? We put the curtains yesterday with Tommy and I. Oh, you cannot come in here. The curtains that I picked for this bathroom. Yeah, so that's the curtains. Yeah, so that's the curtains. It's matched with the color. And yeah, it's have a pattern, the same color, white and sea salt. Ay naku, Hubs. I'm gonna run water. Look, she ran away because there's water. She doesn't like water running. I need to like put it like this, like put in the side and put the share outside part and then put it side to side. Dimples. You have to back up. Go. You know why I need to close this bathroom? They will stay here and she will do business over that rug. I washed that rug already. Bye, Bug. Look at that little man. Hi, Bug. You're such a cute little man. Oh my god. Manuklod man mo. Ay, mga buing maning iroa. Manuklod. Manuklod, mga. Manuklod, manabibi ni mama. I bought this yesterday at $6 each. I got 2 of this, and Tommy doesn't like it. It's just for the top one over there. I will try it without him because yeah, it's not like it's so crowded. I know it's crowded, but you know what? I get this color because it's some color is matched with that one over there, the sliding door pattern of that curtains, and this one have a lot of patterns too. And they said it's so crowded. I know it's like color, but you mix up. I want to try it first before I decided that not to put that over there. If I don't like it, then I understand, because you know, the same thing what I did over here, the same thing with the color over here. They're all not liking it. When I said, oh, I'm gonna put black and white curtains, la la la, they said that it's not good, la la la. They end up liking it. It's a nice color. Did you see that? It's a nice black and white color, but the thing is to give a hint color. The, how do you call this? The tablecloth. And that's not always, because I'm gonna get a plain tablecloth over there, and because that's what we have for now, that's what we're gonna use. But so they don't like it, so I'm gonna try it first before I decided not to put it over there. If I don't like it, I will put that in the bathroom upstairs. Get down, I'm rocking the boat. Get down, I'm rocking the boat, Nemo. It's time check. What is the aching for? 1:44 in the freaking afternoon. And I'm going to wipe the counter with Clorox, because we used this counter yesterday like crazy, and there's so many food spill over here, so need to be cleaned up using the Clorox wipe. My ultimate cleaner. Ultimate ba tawag dun? It's not strong, guys, like you have a regular Clorox thing. It's not that strong. It's just kill germs, but it's not gonna ruin your counter or anything. And this is what I usually do after like kind of busy day, and we use the counter like crazy. Look, is how dirty it is. So dirty. Look how dirty is that. So dirty. Water is good. Keep drinking, MaryAnn, because water is always good. Kana ba hong pika? Oi, somebody's right here. Oh, somebody's right here. Oh, somebody's right here. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Come here, Mitch. Oh, love ni mama. Oh, Mitchy ka. Oh, baby ni mama. Love ni mama. What are you having? Show mama. Show me. What are you having? What are you having, baby? Show me. Show me, baby. Oh, Mystica. Look at what your sister having. Show me, Rocks. What do you have? What do you have? Look at this, guys. What do you have? Tell me, baby. Tell me, who gave you that? Who gave you that bones? Who gave you the bone, baby? Baby, Roxy Rock, who gave you the bones? Who gave you the bones? Who gave you the bones? Who gave you that one, huh? Is the mama give you the bonesy? Do you want some more bonesy now? Who gave you the bonesy? Who gave it to you? Who gave it to you? To us. Look at this other one. Hi, pretty Roxy. You are the prettiest dog in the whole entire wild world. Okay, it's your bunchi na look. You're such a look now. Oh, look, where are you going? Don't turn your back on me, baby. Pet her, especially her belly. Oh my God, she's content and happy. You're happy, baby. You are a happy, baby. This is just what she wants, guys. She just don't need anything. All she needs is the love in the world. And touchy, and that's what she wants. Makes her happy. She doesn't want to play with you. She doesn't want to, as in like, you know, lovey-dovey. No, play with you. But she can do lovey-dovey with you like, no, not like lovey-dovey with you playing. Like, because my thing of lovey-dovey to that one is like play lovey-dovey with her. But this one, all she wants is you. Touch me. Pet me. Touch me, love me, that's all I need. And look at that one. Look at that one. What is it, Misty? You ate yours, Mysticals. You ate yours already. I know, that's Roxy, because I know who is the eater of bones here. It's you, Mysticals. What, baby? Yang magiliw, pulis ng silanganan. Our national anthem, right? You love our national anthem, no? That's Mama's national anthem. Oy, that's our national anthem, my love. Hi, sister. Sa dinadatula at angwit na pag na'y minamahal. Look at this, guys. This is so funny. Misty, you're so funny, baby boy. You're too funny, baby. It's already 9, almost 9 o'clock. I've just been watching a Big Brother. Yeah, I just been watching Big Brother, and I will shut the light off here later. I'll shut the light off here later. I'm not really. I'm just watching through iPad. It's moving. The bed is moving. Yes, the bed is moving, my love. I love you.
Now that we have Cody where we want him, the only thing that can screw this up is if Matt uses the veto, saves himself, and screws up the plan.
Historically, it's pretty rare for the veto holder not to use the veto on themselves when they're on the block. So last thing I want to do is give.
I have the power to veto one of the nominations. If I take myself off the block with the veto.
Good night, guys.
Alex, now
Thank you guys so much for watching. Good night. Good night. Sinasabihan ko siya, close your button ay, bakit ito pin-open, oy, hindi ka naman si Elvis, oy. Parang